From the ground, the world is a familiar place. We navigate through our daily routines, often oblivious to the larger picture. We see the same streets, the same buildings, the same faces, and the same hustle and bustle. The same trees every day, standing as silent witnesses to our lives. But from the air, everything changes. The mundane transforms into the extraordinary. The world becomes a vast and intricate tapestry, full of unexpected patterns and hidden wonders. Fields and rivers weave together in a dance of nature. A drone's eye view offers us this unique perspective, a chance to see the familiar anew. It reveals the beauty in the ordinary. And nowhere is this truer than in Bangladesh, a land of vibrant colors and captivating landscapes. From bustling markets to serene fields, the diversity is astounding. Imagine soaring above the earth, the wind whispering tales of the land below. Each gust carries stories of history and culture. As we ascend, the world shrinks, details blurring into a breathtaking panorama. The vastness of our surroundings becomes apparent. This is the magic of aerial perspective. To see the grand design, to understand the intricate connections that shape a nation, it allows us to appreciate the complexity and beauty of our world. Bangladesh, a land woven by water, reveals its true essence from the sky. From this vantage point, the intricate network of rivers and streams becomes a mesmerizing sight, showcasing the natural beauty and complexity of this region. The mighty Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers snake across the landscape like silver ribbons, their waters reflecting the boundless sky. These rivers are not just geographical features, they are the veins that carry life through the heart of Bangladesh. These rivers are the lifeblood of Bangladesh, nurturing its fertile fields and sustaining its people. They provide the essential water needed for agriculture, which is the backbone of the country's economy and sustenance. From above, we see the emerald tapestry of rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. These lush fields are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Bangladeshi farmers. The air is alive with the songs of farmers tending their fields. Their movements a rhythmic dance passed down through generations. Each step they take is a part of a larger story, one of resilience and harmony with nature. These are the sights that define rural Bangladesh, a land of timeless beauty, where life unfolds at nature's pace. Here, tradition and modernity blend seamlessly, creating a unique and enduring way of life. As our drone glides towards the cities, the landscape transforms. The once serene green gives way to a vibrant tapestry of humanity. Dhaka, the bustling capital, sprawls beneath us, a testament to the nation's indomitable spirit. We see the vibrant chaos of street markets, the cacophony of sounds replaced by a mesmerizing hum. The streets teem with life, a kaleidoscope of colors, smells, and sounds. Rickshaws weave through traffic like brightly colored beetles, their drivers navigating the urban labyrinth with practiced ease. Our journey culminates above some of Bangladesh's most iconic landmarks, offering a breathtaking view that captures the essence of this vibrant nation. The National Parliament building, a marvel of modern architecture, stands as a symbol of democracy and the aspirations of a young nation striving for progress. The Star Mosque in Dhaka, with its intricate mosaic work, shimmers like a jewel in the midday sun, reflecting the rich cultural heritage and artistic brilliance of the region. From this vantage point, we are reminded that Bangladesh is a land of contrasts where lush green fields meet bustling cityscapes, creating a unique and dynamic environment. Ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations, blending seamlessly to form a tapestry of history and innovation. Rural serenity meets urban dynamism, showcasing the diverse lifestyles and the harmonious balance between nature and development. And through it all, the spirit of the Bangladeshi people shines through, resilient, resourceful, and eternally hopeful, embodying the heart and soul of the nation. The drone's lens has not just shown us Bangladesh from a different angle. It has revealed the very soul of this remarkable nation, capturing its essence in every frame.